Hello everyone, Jira bro back with you another video. In this video, I'm gonna be make. It allows you to create the automated AI agents that are doing the work for you. And in this particular case, what was being done for today's video is that we're looking through the issues within the project itself. What we do as well is within this spreadsheet, we have these rows that we're adding in here. And also within that as well, what we also have is these keys that are being added according to the mapped fields that have previously done. This is set to be done every day at 12. So what this means is tomorrow, this will be done as well. Now, let us take a look at how this works. First of all, what we need to do is we need to make a connection with the Jira cloud platform. And this here is something that is called the module. And in here, you're adding the modules. What module we have selected is searched by the JQL. And this is the JQL that I have in here. And also I've set the limit to be to 1000. So this is something that you can do for yourself. You can set the number of results to be different when it comes to the limit itself. Not only that, but also what we're having is this schedule setting that you can add to your module as well. And I'm having this scenario because all of this in here is called a scenario. What I'm also having here is the next module, which is the Google Sheets. It takes everything. It takes this Google Sheet right here, as you can see. I also have the headers that have been selected as well, and this is the column range that I need to cover, which is from A to Z. Now, the key factor in here is you need to map these rows in here with the specific Jira Cloud fields as well. So we'll get this option when you get this filter in here, and it's saying that this is equaling to, this is where you're doing the whole map. What we're doing is we're taking all of these row numbers and everything else, as you can see in here. So row number is really important to have, and you are going to list all of the rows that are definitely relevant. And when you're done with that, then you need to match the values with its fields. So for example, this is the Google Sheets, and this is Jira. This is Google Sheets, this is Jira. Same thing goes for, let's say, for the status. And for the status, there are more options in here. And this is when it creates the results. What I had to do is, basically, there were some of the issues in here that were catched. So some of them were ignored. And what is happening is something is kind of missing. That basically what we're doing is we're adding the row if there isn't a row at all. So the question is how it actually works is, well, if you go for run once, so it's gonna start this scheduled task in here. So we're gonna wait for it to start, and this is all automated. I'm basically doing anything. What I need to know is how I actually set this up in order for this to work. As you can see from here, the task is indeed running. And how do we know this is, if we actually go back in here, one of the things that are being done, as you see from here, is we're receiving some of the data. And as you can see, this data is being populated as well. So this is something that we're doing in here. Of course, actually starting from the very top, and this is because I have selected from A to Z. So it's actually started from A to Z. It will start. Yeah, it will start, let's say, from the whole beginning. But as you can see, everything is being automated in here. Nothing that actually do from my side or something like that. So as you can see, it keeps on going. It keeps on fetching these issues. Yeah, it's gonna go through all of those things. And pretty much that is basically this is because, yeah, as you can see, there is like from the start it was Google Sheets, it was all of these things, and it just continued. But it's actually doing what it's supposed to do, and we're having this bundling here. What we can actually do is we can stop with this. We can see well, when I click on this, nothing appears. Bundle, operation. I really don't have any more. Okay, that's interesting. I don't have any more data in here, but what's important is that basically it can work. We have some execution was requested. Okay, I did it as well. So it also will inform you when something like that actually happens. But in the nutshell, this is what this AI agent is supposed to do. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See ya. Bye.